The MSI Titan 18HX is a flagship gaming laptop designed for enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance and immersive gaming experiences. Here's an overview of its key features. The Titan 18HX boasts a robust and premium chassis, featuring an 18-inch display that provides an expansive viewing area for gaming and content creation. Its design emphasizes both aesthetics and functionality, ensuring durability and efficient cooling. Equipped with an 18-inch mini LED display, the Titan 18HX offers a 4000 resolution with a 120 Hz refresh rate. This combination delivers sharp visuals and smooth motion, enhancing the gaming experience. The display also supports HDR1000, ensuring vibrant colors and deep contrasts. At its core, the Titan 18HX is powered by the Intel Core i9-14900HX processor, providing high-performance computing capabilities. Graphics are handled by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090 laptop GPU, offering exceptional performance for the latest games and demanding applications. The laptop supports up to 128 GB of DDR5 RAM, ensuring smooth multitasking and future-proofing for intensive tasks. To manage the heat generated by its high-performance components, the Titan 18HX features an advanced cooling system. This includes multiple fans and heat pipes designed to maintain optimal temperatures during extended gaming sessions. The laptop comes with a mechanical keyboard featuring Per-Key RGB lighting, providing tactile feedback and customization options for gamers. The keyboard is designed for both responsiveness and durability, enhancing the overall user experience. The Titan 18HX offers a comprehensive selection of ports, including multiple USB-C and USB-A ports, HDMI, and an Ethernet port, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of peripherals and networks. Wireless connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, providing fast and reliable connections. Given its powerful hardware, the Titan 18HX is equipped with a substantial battery. However, due to the high power consumption of its components, users can expect moderate battery life, especially during intensive tasks. If you're looking for the ultimate gaming laptop with unmatched power, a stunning 4K mini LED display, and top-tier performance, the MSI Titan 18HX is a true beast. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a content creator, or a power user, this laptop delivers next-level performance with the latest Intel and NVIDIA hardware. But is it the best gaming laptop for you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.